Hey, listen, today we have a special unboxing. Ooh, special, sorry I'm a little red, but it's for a good reason. We have special guests here for this special unboxing. I'm not going to show them yet. It's a little surprise. Maybe when it's time to bust it with an axe, you see them. So stay tuned.
So they shut down school. Labor Day, we found out that schools weren't going to open.
Look what we got here, kid. Look what we got. We got some.
Oh.
Here we go. Take a guess. Take a guess. Oh man, today we have a special unboxing. We got some special guests. You can't make this up. This was not planned, people. This was not planned. I shit you not. All right. This was like we were just hanging out, and then all of a sudden I got a delivery kit. All right. So today we're gonna need a special tool to unbox, bro. I had to bust out the old Portuguese axe, kid. All right. Look at this, kid. All right, now here we go. Here we go. We're gonna. Oh man, do you guys want to see who's here? You guys want to see who's here? We got. That's my boss, yes, and I'm not giving her the axe. That's the last person I'll give the axe to. But all right, let me show you what we have here. Let me show. Okay, so we got a delivery here, a box, a goodie kid, all the way from Anaheim, California. All right. This came yesterday. Hopefully this is not be a big deal here. This little damage to the box. But look at this, kid. Look at this. Look at this. Man. All right, I think it's time. I think it's time. Let's see. Who's going to do the honors? Who's going to do the honors? This is, Oh, what? What do we got here, kid? We got the king and queen of the Brap, kid. What's the Brap world? Dan and Irene, kid here. Primal Rovan King Motor RC. Any questions? Zah. And the boss. And the boss. Because when my boss kicks me out, I'm going to be moving into Dan's shop, workshop at Primal.
He would take the whole family.
And Oreo. All right. Who's going to do the honors of this here? This is unbelievable how this turned out today. Whoa. All right, so here we go. Here we go. We got to unbox this. What could this be? What could this be? What? Zah.
California. All right.
Awesome. There you go. Okay, guys, so Dan, you want to open it up? You want to open it up?
This is something new, something that's never been done before.
I haven't seen one of these yet.
This is something that's never been done before. It took a while. I had requested it for a while. Oh, Zena Cafe.
Spark plug and
All right. So I got me a spark plug. We got a modified carb here. All right. Oh, looks like another heart. Looks like we got another heart here.
nicely wrapped.
Whoa, Zena Cafe. What could this be? Wow, look at this, kid. Look at this, people. We got it. We did it, bro. We did it. The BROVAN, kid. We don't know if that's going to be the official name, but this is the nickname we have it, kid. All right, so this is what you guys are looking at here is a Rovan 45cc that's been modified, all new reed case. All right, Chris Bartolone Racing. Whoa, is there a number 3? Is this a damn? That looks like a Dale Earnhardt number 3 to me, kid. What is that?
Where?
Zah.
Oh yeah, number 3. That's a Dale. Yeah.
Wow, bro, that's a number and a half right there.
Just for you.
And guess what? For you, those of you that don't know, Dan's address is number 3. All right, so that number 3 is special number, kid. Look at this. What we got here is a beautiful recase. All right, this recase was just made for this head. All right, this is not no welded up part, nothing. This is an all new recase just made for this head. And this recase here uses the BR40 reed valves. All right, unlike that test dummy one that I've had for a while. All right, that test dummy one that I've had for a while, I have 7 gallons through that. All right, if you count the gallon I used to break it in. So I have 7 gallons of fuel through it, and she's still running strong. But this here is supposed to be even better. The one that I've been using in my Max T, that one there was a customized, fabricated 32 reed case. All right, so this one here is completely different. It will not work on any other head, just for this head, people. All right? It's good stuff. Oh, man, I can't wait to hear this. I can't wait to hear this. Stay tuned, people. It's coming out. I believe Dan and Irene should have them in stock by next week. All right? There are a lot of you guys hitting me up for this. You guys want this for your 5Ts. You guys want this for your MTXLs. You guys want this for your Bajas. All right? Well, it's coming out, people. It is true. It is true. It's coming out, kid. I can't believe it. Look at that. So the new Rovan 45 reed case, modified from Bartolone, will be coming with all these goodies. All right, this was an extra piece. This is why the price had to go up just a little bit more. All right, he wanted to add this part besides the custom reed case. So here's some pictures. Yes, sir. Yeah, this will get the air in. You guys could also put an outerwear here. So let me show you some pictures of this engine. So that's a look at how this reed case was made. It's a beautiful work of art. Now this here is just something extra that I wanted. All right, it will not come with this because then the price will go up. You guys don't want the price to go up. You guys want the best price possible. All right, this is going to be the most powerful engine for the buck. Do you understand? So congratulations to all you guys, whoever gets them. I hope you guys break them in properly and have fun with them. Go out, have fun. Start brapping, start kicking some butt. All right, this is going to be a force to be reckoned with. And it's going to be a fun engine, man. Get ready. You're going to have to gear up with this, for real. So who knows? This is going to be probably the all-around best engine to get, to be honest with you. You could put this on anything. You could put this on anything. I wonder how it would be on a dragster. That's what I'm wondering. Would a 2-speed? Who knows? This is not made to drag race. This is not made for drag racing. This is made to bash, to have fun, to be reliable, to have fun, to beat on. But who knows? It could be a force to be reckoned with in a dragster, kid. Who knows? It won't have the RPMs as some of the drag mods, but guess what? I bet you it'll pull some gear. I bet you it'll pull a nice 2-speed. All right. Man, I'm also, just a heads up, I know this has nothing to do with the video, but I want a carbon fiber head cover for mine. I don't know about you guys. So they may be an option in the future for a carbon fiber head cover. And yeah, so stay tuned. If that happens, I'll let you guys know. Man, I feel like chroming this. I feel like, oh man, I can't wait. All right, that's it. The nicest, easiest unboxing ever. Special unboxing. This engine, this took a while, man. This took a while to ask for. I started asking for this. I started requesting this, I don't know, probably a good 1.5 years ago or more.
Yeah, but it's here.
It's here, man. We did it. We got it. We got it. All right. Getting stuff done, kid. Braptastic over here, man. Zah. Look at that. Queen of Brap. Boss, thank you for putting up with my ass. I got to give her a trophy.
Don't worry about it.
Donna, I really appreciate you
Yeah.
doing this, helping
Yeah.
Chris get this going, because, I mean, otherwise you couldn't get an affordable engine that like puts out that much stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
Through this crazy year, you got it done.
Yeah, crazy year, crazy time.
Big shout out to Chris.
Big
Bartolone.
shout out to Chris Bartolone.
Oh my God, he got it done.
Yeah. Big shout out to Chris. What the? Chris, what's up, kid? Oh man, I need a poster like that, kid, over here. Look at it. My wall is empty, bro.
We'll take a shirt.
What the?
Oh.
Yeah, look at him. I miss him, bro. Man, what time is it by you right now? It's 7:50 p.m. here.
5 o'clock.
5. All right. Good stuff, man.
The filmer I see there.
Hey there. Hi, Chris. How are you?
The boss. My boss is here.
All right, I see.
Guess what? Guess who else we got here, kid? Guess who else?
The dog.
Nope. Well, that's an E word, bro. He's upstairs, bro. If I have him down here, all he does is bark. We got the king and queen of the brap on the east side. Check it out. What?
Hey Chris, remember what we look like?
How are you?
Good.
They don't change, bro. I age quick. They're still the same. They're actually younger. I don't believe. I don't get
I
it.
don't know about that.
They're younger than ever, bro.
Chris, thank you so much for
Huh?
the engine.
Bro, we got. What do you mean? Yeah, we seen it, bro. We just unboxed it. I'm like, you know what? Let me call up Chris. Hey, what's up with that? Yeah, the motor is badass, kid.
Looks good.
The motor looks really nice.
Looks really
Look at this,
good.
kid. Look at this, kid. Look at this. And guess how we opened it, bro? We opened it up with a special axe today, kid. Look at this. Any questions, kid? Look at this. Yo, what's up with that number 3 there, bro? Looks like Dale Earnhardt 3, bro. My favorite number.
Yeah, that's only one of a kind.
Zah.
Oh, he did that on purpose.
Oh, thank you, bro. All right.
Oh, see, he knows detail.
Damn, Chris, I didn't.
It's a true love story.
The bromance. We'll call it a bromance.
This is.
It's a true love story.
Dan's gonna call this.
You have to see the first day they met.
Oh, dude, sometimes I'm embarrassed. Remember the first day, the video when we met, dude. Sometimes I'm like, what the fuck? What did I do that for?
I don't know who was happier. He was happy to see him, or he was happy to see him.
Bromance.
That's what it's all about.
Hey, listen, man. I just want to give you a shout out, bro. Say, listen, awesome job, and thank you for the hard work, man. You did it, kid. We made it. You made it possible, bro.
Yeah, no, it's
What do you guys-
awesome.
You guys like it? All the other ones will follow next week.
Next week, okay.
You got it.
All right.
Ready.
So you guys heard that first. Next week. You want to
Shipping
tell?
5 or 10, however many at a time.
I got you on video now. You want to say that again?
However many we have done next week, we'll start shipping, whether it's 5 or 10 or 20.
Okay. All right, brother. Awesome, man.
And we'll ship you more, and they do.
Awesome.
Yeah, we'll be ready for more.
Keep up.
So we're already working on the other ones that we talked about.
Okay.
Yeah.
And stuff.
As soon as you send the first 20, we're ready for the next 20.
Awesome.
Yeah, get these back in the next week or two, and then we'll move forward on the other ones.
You got it.
Awesome, bro. All right, man. Thanks again. Okay, I'll talk to you soon.
All right, call me later.
All right, brother. All right. See you guys. See you.
He's not worried about us. He's not worried about us. God forbid, like something.
Dan and Irene is getting a kick out of my workshop here. We got nitro fuel next to my coffee machine. That's next to my wine. You know what I'm saying? That's how it's done over here, kid.
I need a man cave.
I'm not professional, bro. This is just what you gonna do, right? But listen, man. Sorry, guys. I was just getting yelled at by my boss. So, anyways, listen. We're gonna go. We're gonna have a little sip of some grape juice, and that's it. We're gonna try to have a good evening, and this is a braptastic night. I can't wait for this to be out. All right.
All right. Thanks, John.
All right, Pat. You too.
Hi.
All right. Stay tuned. We got lots coming.